Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how to use the laptop uh, with the second monitor or external monitor while the laptop is closed. No? Meaning, if you're using laptop as your CPU and the screen monitor of your laptop is closed, but the external monitor is still working. Okay? So just show it how to do it. So I will show you. I have two monitor here, my laptop, and of course my monitor. And also make sure that you have external keyboard and mouse for your laptop. No? So if I'm going to close this laptop, and also the monitor was closed. Okay. So how to ensure that the external monitor was still open even the laptop is closed? So there's a method on how to do it. So first, click the control panel, then choose hardware and sound, just click, then choose power option, then the left side portion there was a menu here, choose what closing the lid does. So click this one. Now at the right portion, the side, we can see here change setting that are currently unavailable. So first here, we can see here battery and plug in. When I press the power button, sleep. When I press the power button, sleep. Okay. When I press the sleep button, sleep. Or sometimes it becomes shut down or turn off the display. Shown here. When I close the lid, sleep or shut down. There's a shut menu here. So what we need to do is to set this one as when I press the power button, just click do nothing. Do nothing. When I press the sleep button, just do nothing. Do nothing. When I close the lid, just do nothing again. Plug in and battery. And after that, just click save changes and port. Okay. So after configuration, even if you close this one, you close this one, close my laptop. So this laptop will serve as CPU. And as you can see, the monitor still working. Okay. So simply as that guys on how to keep your laptop external monitor working while your laptop is or your laptop monitor is closed. Okay. So thank you for watching, and hope that this video helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.